Fixed right or it's free. At Midstate Air Conditioning and Heating, it's not just a gimmicky slogan. It's the way we operate each and every day. Fixed right or it's free simply means if we fix your system, it won't break down again for the rest of the season. Or Midstate Air Conditioning and Heating will fix it for free. We are the only service company in town who can make this ironclad guarantee.
Fixed right or it's free means that you don't have to worry about them not doing it right the first time. If something goes wrong after they leave, they come back, and they come back until it's right. You don't get another bill, and you just don't have to worry about anything.
Fixed right or it's free means to me that that's exactly the way it's going to be. And I had no idea what it really meant until the job was completed and over with. It was fixed right.
When your air conditioning and heating system isn't doing its job, you don't have the time or the money to depend on spotty service. At Midstate Air Conditioning and Heating, our goal has been the same since 1970, to provide the highest quality service at the customer's convenience. Let's face it, your heat and air unit never breaks down at a convenient time. That's why Midstate Air Conditioning and Heating offers after-hours and weekend service at no additional charge.
When you have one of the hottest days coming up in the year, and all at once you got air blowing and no cooling, it's like, okay, panic time. In 24 hours time, we went from hot air to, it was cold air, good.
Just like your car, your heating and air unit needs routine tune-ups to keep it running efficiently and effectively. No other company gives a more thorough tune-up than Midstate Air Conditioning and Heating. And whether your system needs a tune-up or a repair, with Midstate, you always get you upfront, straightforward pricing. No surprises.
They installed this unit, they know how it works, they understand how it works, and I would not trust anybody else to work on it.
If you're having problems with your system, or if you just want to make sure it's operating at its most efficient, money-saving best, call Midstate Air Conditioning and Heating today, or visit our website at midstateairandheat.com. Midstate Air Conditioning and Heating. Fixed right or it's free.